Hello everybody, I'm Jarell and I have received my third package today and I'm really excited for what Dash has prepared for me. So let's open this thing. Oh, no way. This is so cool! This is so cool. Thank you, Dash. Okay, so I got the Nerf CS50 and it is fully motorized, has a 50 dart drum, and the barrel spins. Included is the blaster, 50 darts, the instructions, the shoulder strap, and the 50 dart drum. I'm here outside and I'm gonna try this out. Playing with this toy because it's fully motorized and the darts go really far, and this included strap belt is really convenient because this blaster is heavy. If I had to give it a rating, it would be 5 out of 5. Thank you to Dash the Elf and the Navy Exchange for this toy. See you until next time.